Alright, this is my 93 SI with a 95 GSR. It's like minus 28 out. Cold start. There you go, Brandon. Buddy. Dog VTech. Sat all night. No plug-in, no nothing. Dead cold start. Get in here and see what happens here. Right from a dead cold start. First one, nothing. Right from a dead cold start. Should have probably plugged it in last night, like minus 30, but it's running now. Running good. Yeehaw! Lots of little fun there. GSR motor. Very cold, let her warm up. Anyway, there it is, B. Fuel pressure gauge. Fuck, does that ever sound deadly? Fuck, it's fucking cold, man. Holy fuck. Minus 28, minus 30 with the wind chill. Fuck, man, that's ridiculous. Here, one more full. Yeah, motherfucker.